In 2015, Toyota redesigned the Hilux, which had grown into a mid-size workhorse. The 8th generation was facelifted in 2020 and is expected to continue until 2024 according to recent reports. We know for sure that the brand new Hilux model, like the LC300 and 3rd Gen Tundra, will use the TNGA-F body-on-frame architecture, also known as the F1 platform. This platform will be shared with Prado, the Lexus GX, and the North American market Tacoma pickup. A concept artist named Kleber Silva imagined the 2024 Hilux with front-end styling from the Land Cruiser 300, which appears to be a fitting combination. However, nobody knows exactly how the mid-size pickup will look, and the rear of the vehicle may require cooler taillights. Silva has also rendered the interior of the Hilux with a similar touchscreen, instrument cluster, shift knob, center console, and dashboard as the LC300. However, the Hilux is expected to share more interior components with the 3rd Gen Tundra than the V6 powered SUV. The Hilux and Tacoma will be available with 4-cylinder engines for the lowest specifications and V6 options for higher performance. The range-topping powerplant could be a hybrid-assisted V6 similar to the iForce Max of the 2022 Tundra, which provides superior low-down torque and work-related capability. Additionally, the outgoing transmission will be replaced with a 10-speed auto. With any luck, Toyota will offer the GR Hilux, a high-performance variant inspired by the Dakar rally-winning race truck.